Wow. Thought I'd just do a quick one off the cuff, but I've just been shared with, I had a ancestry family tree shared with me, and for the first time seen a photo of my great grandfather who I thought I might never find a photo of. So happy. Honestly, the combination, it's amazing. Just like literally really random, circuitous, fortunate, serendipitous way of finding a living relative, like third cousin once removed, and she's got all these in her ancestry tree. What are the chances? I just wanted to do a very quick video reaction to capture the moment because I've been doing it, trying to get this for months now. I never thought I'd see it. It's amazing. She's got photos of more people in there. I don't know who else is in there. It's amazing. Never thought I'd see it. So happy and so worth it. But if you're having trouble with your family tree, just stay with it. Keep making contacts. Go through the ups and downs. You will get there. Just keep going. I mean, just seeing that is amazing. So happy.